The Amana ASXC16, ASXC18, and ASXC20 series indoor coils, manufactured between January 2015 and October 2018, had a design flaw that caused them to freeze. The condensate pan lacked sufficient insulation, causing moisture to freeze during low-temperature operation. This could block drainage, leading to ice buildup that restricts airflow, causes coil expansion or rupture, refrigerant leaks, flooding, and even potential fire hazards. Amana, a subsidiary of Daikin Industries, initiated a voluntary recall in 2023, offering free replacements or retrofit kits. The fix involves retrofitting with foam insulation kits or full coil replacements, ensuring the pan maintains above freezing temperatures. As of 2026, the Amana recall is over 90% complete in the U.S. Incident rates have dropped to zero in tracked cases post-recall, suggesting the fixes are working well. Amana has extended warranty support for affected units. Trends in HVAC safety are shifting towards proactive recalls and smart diagnostics. Companies like Amana, Trane, and Carrier are adopting IoT sensors for real-time monitoring to prevent freeze-ups. Future coils may integrate self-heating elements and AI-driven predictive maintenance to eliminate such issues. Improved insulation standards are now mandatory in new coil designs, and stricter EPA regulations on refrigerant handling are being implemented.